So another question we have from different customers is, can I use these headlights in a different body? Sure, you can. I mean, these were inspired in the Arrma Infraction 6S. The size, everything is made to fit the stock stickers of the Infraction 6S, but you can also use it in any other RC car. First, because you don't have to connect it to anything, you can simply turn it on and off. It doesn't link to your car. It doesn't have to be connected to the receiver, to any power source. So you can mount it anywhere. It's pretty basic. You just have to make the hole in your body, insert this, and you're good to go. You just have to add some glue on the inside, but that's up to you. And that's pretty much it. Same thing with the Kraton 6S, and many other lights we have are also compatible with any brand, any other body. Now, the only model we have today that's self-powered is the Infraction one. Soon we will have for Kraton, for many other RCs, but as of now, this is the only one we have wireless or self-powered.